My name, your name. His name, her name. My name, your name, his name, her name. City, state and town. All the names are nouns. Yes, all the names are nouns. Mother, father, brother, sister. Mother, father, brother, sister. Chair, table and crown. All the names are nouns. Yes, all the names are nouns. Years, months, birds, animals. Years, months, birds, animals. Pain, fear and frown. All the names are nouns. Yes, kids, all the names are nouns. Hello, kids. How are you all? Hope you enjoyed this rhyme. Would you like to recite with me once again? Let's come and recite it together. Come, join me. My name, your name, his name, her name, city, state and town. All the names are nouns. Mother, father, brother, sister, chair, table and crown. All the names are nouns. Years, months, birds, animals, pain, fear and frown. All the names are nouns. Yes, kids, all the names are nouns. I, Nirupma Gupta, your learning coach, welcome to my channel English. I'm sure you might have understood what we are going to discuss today. Yes, the naming words. And these naming words are called nouns. So let's say, what is a noun? It's the naming word. Now these names can be of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Now if you ask me to put this definition of noun in a sentence, I will say a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. So person, place, thing and idea. All these names are called nouns. Now, can you give me some examples? Let's see. Ready? Okay, let me ask. Give me examples of a person. Right, woman, man, boy, girl. See, you have given me so many examples. Now, let's move on to place. Can you give me some examples? Yes, where do you live? Delhi. Name your country. India. Very good. Where do you go to play? Park. See, there are so many examples. They are all around you. You have to just look around yourself and you will find so many naming words. Now let me ask you about things. Yes, look around you. Chair, table, bed, pen, pencil. So many things. And now let's talk about ideas. There can be so many ideas. Kindness, happiness. These all are nouns as they are all naming words. Is this concept clear to you? Now let's take another very easy exercise and fill in these blanks. And I'm sure you'll understand nouns in a better way. It's a very simple sentence. My name is dash. Yes, I'm going to fill in this blank. My name is Nirupma. So I will write Nirupma in this blank. You write your name, right? I am a dash. If you are a girl, write girl. If you are a boy, write boy. I am a girl. I am a boy. I am a woman. Now the next sentence. I live in dash. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. So I am writing word Delhi. Delhi is the name of a place. Right? Now let's move on to another sentence. I go to dash every day. Now you can write so many words in this blank. Like I am a teacher, so I can say I go to school every day. You can also write this word, or you can use some other naming word. Like you can say I go to park every day. Right? Now let's move on to another sentence. My bag has dash, dash and dash. Like you all must be going to school. So you have so many things in your bag. Let's see. Pen, write pencil, pencil box, eraser, book, notebook. So you can mention any 3 things which you have in your bag. Right? Very good. Now let's move on to another sentence. Dash and dash are my favorite eatables. What do you like to eat? Mention any 2 things. I like to eat cake and pastry. So I will write cake and pastry are my favorite eatables. You write. Now let's move on to another sentence. I take dash in watching TV. Do you all like to watch TV? Yes, I take pleasure in watching TV. Do you take pleasure in watching TV? So fill in the word. So we have filled in these blanks, and I'm sure now this concept of noun is very much clear to you all. This exercise is also being given in the description box. You can note down this exercise in your notebook, and I'm sure you will understand these naming words in a very natural manner. Just look around you and you'll find so many objects, so many things which you can name them, and they will be the naming words. So this is all for today, and we'll be meeting very shortly with kinds of nouns. And please like and subscribe to my channel English.